Hey, what's up, guys? I'm taking over the vlog today.
Alright, guys, I took over the vlog but we're going. Can you open the door? I don't think we're going into Publix yet, but we are going to the beach, so it's gonna be fun.
Dope.
Alright, I'll see you inside. Oh my god, guys, it's glow lighting. Alright, never mind. I thought it'd be cool, but it's just not. Alright, we're gonna go in Publix. This is what I'm gonna do in the aisles. I'm legit gonna get this close to people and be like,
Hey, Brittany.
we're going in a Publix, guys. Oh my god. Takis. I really want some Takis, guys. I want some spicy food right now. Hey, Mom.
We're going to the beach to chill, have a good time.
Look at the camera, not me. Alright, guys. We're just walking up the hill. Guys, we're gonna get the fries. Thanks. You're welcome. What's the next stop, guys?
Okay, so now, what's the
Alright, next stop, the fruit, guys. Hey, Brittany. Bang. So I was sent on a very special mission. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna go get some water, and they're getting the fruits.
Mom, look at it. Oh, it's a turkey.
It's so pretty. I grew up with that in my backyard.
It's still pretty, though. Oh, I could have.
Water flip. Ready? You got it under. Yeah, but if it was running like if they were gonna kill me.
Yeah, I was so scared.
It is scary.
Yeah, it's scary
If
because
that's
all
all-
of them.
They were like attacking me.
Yes, they were.
They
Even
wanted
if they did, though.
Which they did. I had to run in the water.
I did a video of it. It looks like. Just your typical TV guy. Point view. Trying to visa. Fruit is like the best thing to eat at the beach because it's food. Well, also it's so hydrating. It feels like so bad water. on food. And we just eat on food. All day at the beach. I'm determined to find gold. I get the bag. School of hard.
Yeah. My nails are like boy nails. I have your hands. I have dad and I always liked Brady's hands because I was like, they look so feminine. And mine
Are you
don't.
serious?
Mine
I
don't
always
round.
thought the other way around. They look like they belong on like a 2-month-old infant. It makes me uncomfortable.
Really?
Can your feet just grow up?
Look, look.
I like your nails though.
Be honest.
An hour, are you serious?
There was golden hour for like literally a minute. Yeah, like 2 seconds. I'm gonna keep it in there.
Yeah, just now.
It's lit- Yeah. Did you just see it?
No.
Oh. Mom, did you even notice the camera was right here? Look at that hard A while ago. Eat healthy and drink a lot of water. I'm watching to look if I do that. Wow, I just pressed on the note.
Talk about what happened at the school.
Oh yeah. It makes me sad, like when I see stuff like that.
It's so sad because these kids, they give signs of their issues.
Yeah. And it's like the parents are clueless.
And
But-
a stable mind.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, he didn't have parents.
no?
He did it?
His mother passed away or something like that.
Who raised him?
Not exactly sure.
Yeah.
Like, if you really look very close, you will find out that he was giving signs.
Yeah.
And even at school,
chunk of my life.
You know, like if these walls to top.
A lot of chips.
Yeah.
Why don't?
Are you?
You know what, Yvette? Yvette. What are you guys laughing at?
Everything.
I'm trying to make you laugh for the camera.
I'm not an infant.
You just talk because I seriously can't stop laughing.
I think because I laughed and it made me warmer.
Yeah.
I don't want to go to work. Work.
That's the actual music video.
Work. But I gotta go to work.
How to put in work. But I don't work. Mom makes me laugh. Cause like, I woke up one morning and you were like, okay, I'm just gonna stand over here. I woke up one morning and you were like this, like Pablo when he wakes up from his nap, like. Brittany, look, golden hour. Oh, wait, hold up. I trust you, Lee. Do it again. Hey.
You gonna have to cut that out. Anywhere the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. He got against his head, pulled the trigger, now he's dead. Mama, 'cause just because.
Oh, it's Cinco.
Cinco. Yeah. I talked to you about it, right? I told you about it.